London, Ontario, Canada, December 5th, 2024.
Let's go, let's go. Pretty crappy out.
London and surrounding areas are facing multiple road closures and hazardous driving conditions on Thursday afternoon as heavy snow continues to blanket the region. The severe winter weather began to take hold Thursday afternoon, resulting in road closures that in some cases left drivers stranded in their vehicles. Environment Canada forecasts a blizzard with the potential for up to 30 centimeters of snow in London and the surrounding area by morning. They are also warning of near-persistent conditions as the blizzard produced heavy snowfall, in some cases up to 10 centimeters per hour. The westbound lanes of Highway 401 between Putnam Road and the Culloden Line are expected to reopen to traffic by 9 p.m. The stretch of highway west of Ingersoll was closed for several hours. Eastbound traffic through the area was slow. Police said several people were trapped in their vehicles. They asked for patience until police could reach them.
Os carros nem passam, nem vai, nem vem.
É, meu amigo, agora apertou.
The northbound lanes of Veterans Memorial Parkway have reopened at Go Road, but police are advising drivers to avoid the area. The southbound lanes remain closed. This is due to a dump truck that struck a sign on a railway overpass, causing it to collapse.
I'm on the 6th floors. Look at that guy.
Earlier in the day, all London Catholic District School Board and Thames Valley District School Board schools were closed. As were Western University campuses and all on-campus classes and exams, London public transit users were warned not to wait long as snow continued to fall, according to the City of London. Also at London airports, remaining flights departing and arriving from Toronto have been cancelled. The Middlesex London Health Unit offices in Strathroy and London were also closed. In a statement, health officials said the decision was made out of an abundance of cautions. All appointments were cancelled and will be rescheduled.
E eles vêm deixar no carro as compras. Pra mim é ótimo, porque eu compro online e já ganho tempo.
The London Public Library announced an early closures of all its branches across the city at 2 p.m. Thursday, with plans to reopen it at 1 p.m., Friday, weather permitting, all Friday programming was cancelled, the library said.
Bota lá por trás.
The snow also caused a power outage in Byron earlier in the day on Thursday, but by 3 p.m., London Hydro reported on X that all power had been restored.
Olha, meu Deus do céu, para entrar em casa. Olha isso. Gente, você não tem noção. do tanto que já...
Jesus.
Meanwhile, in-person services such as all City of London facilities, including City Hall, City Plaza offices, Ontario Works offices, and the Provincial Offences Administration Office, will be closed through today. All city-operated community centres and recreation centres will be closed until noon on Friday. Officials in the City of London issued a message to residents as the storm began to roll in Thursday afternoon, warning of hazards such as power outage and downed trees and limbs. The city is asking residents to report tree-related issues through the Service London website. The Ontario Provincial Police OPP are reminding motorists to know before you go and to use resources like 511 Ontario for up-to-date road conditions and closures. Be sure to stay up to date on all of the weather warnings in your area as well and have a plan in place as conditions worsen. Beyond the snow, Friday will be the coldest day of the season so far, with Toronto's daytime high falling below 0 degrees Celsius for the first time since March 22nd.
Parou ali porque tá ruim pra ir. A nossa garagem a gente tem que entrar por aqui. Mas
Powerful snow squalls will continue blowing out the northwest into Thursday night. These squalls are unlikely to move much through the overnight hours. If it's snowing now, it's unlikely to lighten up until the early morning.